Hi, welcome back to Craft Cam and thanks for joining me. Today we're going to make a display with aluminum cans. So I have chicken tuna fish cans, I have a Vienna sausage can, vegetables. So we're going to use a hot glue gun and any number of cans that you would like. And you can do any number of ways you like. You know, you can make it a flower. You can, have it for hanging on the wall. You can have it for sitting on your desk for organizing, and that would determine what you want your layout to be for these. So here I'm going to be doing this on the wall. So I feel like I might want to do something along these lines. Let's see. Don't like this big one on the bottom. Maybe if I put that like this and the way you're looking at it would be cute. And you can put little tchotchkes or use them for pins or mail or notes or whatever. Or you can just put things in it to display. I'm going to be spray painting this at the end, so that'll be in the intro shot and the end shot. And the great thing about this is you can always add on. So if you like the bigger cans here, and then maybe you get another can and all the little ones go around here, something like that. So let's go ahead and start. Get your handy dandy glue gun. And I'm going to pull this one out and put the glue gun, I have it on high, put that there so I disrupt the layout the least amount. So, and to hang this you can use a regular old hanger, picture hanger, sawtooth picture hanger, and this one we're going to do right there and mount it on the back of these two, kind of in the center to disperse it easily. And you can see this first one's already got a good grip. And then we'll do this one here. Glue there. Push that around a little bit. Alrighty. Hopefully that'll stick there. And I think I will go ahead, let's see. I want to let it cool. I thought I'd go ahead and add this one here, knowing that I would be getting another one there. And then you could make, it would be really cute to have 4 right there. So let's see. You can mark these. I have a wet erase marker here I'm going to use. So I'm going to kind of mark close to where they touch and just go on the outside of those. And so there's my marks. Go there and on the outside of this one. And then I'm going to take it out to the garage and paint it with my rose gold spray paint, and that'll be it. So I, removed the labels the best I could. There's still some sticky on there. There's even some paper on this one. But you could always hide that on the interior. I would have if I thought about it and not worry about it, but you can spray, you could paint the cans first. I would just make sure that maybe you pick your spot and buff that paint off a little before you glue it. And then they could be all different colors. I want mine to match my pen holder over here. That is one of the first videos that went up in a rose gold. So there you have it. And of course it could be your desk organizer. It could be, actually I might change that into my desk organizer. Although I don't have a tray on it. But this would work for the tray. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Quick, easy thing. Look at the picture, get an idea of what we're looking at. So what it'll look like all painted up. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and check out the links below for more information. Thank you. Bye.